How I take my Instagram pictures by myself, part 2. Let's go! Hi modelpreneurs, my name is Venance, model coach, and the creator of Model to Modelpreneur. For the best modeling tips and branding tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel, click that bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. So guys, I thought I recorded the intro for part 2, but I did not. So this video is basically the part 2 of the last video. If you haven't watched that yet, I really would like for you to go do that first so you know exactly what you will need. In this video, I'm going to show you the behind the scenes on how I actually take my pictures by myself and using all the items that I mentioned in part 1. So go ahead and you can pause this and watch part 1 and then come back and watch part 2. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and yeah, let me know what you think of it down below. I have to go find an empty parking lot because the location, like when you're shooting outside by yourself, people are gonna look at you. Like when sometimes I go to DC and I'm shooting, people like stare at me, they look at me funny, but I don't care. I'm trying to get my content. So just learn not to give a fuck and take your fucking pictures because you need to get your content out there, okay? So don't care. So I'm gonna go to an empty parking lot, and basically I want to make sure that like over there, I love there because it's so big and not a lot of people go all the way to the top. So that's why I want to go ahead and shoot there. Also because it's quiet and it's like really open. So that's why I want to go shoot this. Okay guys, so I am here. So I'm outside. I am here at this let me show you guys. It's like an empty parking lot. It's like a train station parking lot though. For the clamp, this is how I use the clamp. So I basically clamp it like on my door of my car door like this, and I record like behind the scene videos and stuff. Like I just do behind the scene videos here. Yeah, I just clamp it on my door. And then for my phone, so for my phone, I'm gonna go ahead and place my phone here. Basically go like this. So now I have my thing ready. All I need to do is turn it on. It's on right now. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it on the camera, and I'm gonna test if I'm good. Let me test and make sure it's taking pictures. Oh, so we good. Just a little bit. Try just a little bit. Get up and like music. Get up and like music. I talk to your head. You know I do. I'm gonna see what I have to on. I can't go back. So far it looks like I got some good pictures, and I even took a little slow-mo video going on. But I want to see how it looks like later. The lighting is okay. Move locations because the sun is literally right on top of me right now, so I have to have the camera like kind of facing me this way. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put you guys right here. Hopefully you don't fall. Then I'm going to put the camera like right kind of in front of you. So phone might overheat. That's another thing when you shoot outside when it's hot. Your phone might overheat. So just have to work with it. And then try not to make that your thing. sun is kind of like down, well, not down, like it's hiding behind the clouds, but I want the sun to be out. So I'm gonna wait until the clouds kind of get away from the sun before I start shooting again. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. Okay, now it's coming back, as you can see. So you have to work around the sun and work around yeah, you just gotta work around it. So now it's back, so let me go. Start. I am gonna go in my car and see if we got some good shots, which I know we did. So I'm just gonna go and check for a little bit, and then I'm gonna change outfits. Okay, you guys, now that I am done, I need to change into my regular clothes because the bitch is not about to wear this. This is what goes on, y'all. This is what goes on. I should not be wearing sweatpants, to be honest, but I'm gonna do a second look. I wasn't planning, but I am. I'm about to shoot this real quick and I'll be back. So, hey models, so I just finished shooting this outfit right here. So what I want to say is that you guys, you can do this. You can take pictures on your own. I've been doing it for a couple of years now, and you know, when somebody can't take my picture, get yourself your little camera, get yourself your little tripod. Everything I've included down below. Go ahead and invest in your future, invest in these, because if somebody cannot take your pictures, go ahead and do your own. Like I literally show you guys how I took all of these pictures. Like you guys saw the step by step, every single thing. So it means that you can do it too. Okay? And just try and keep trying and keep trying and keep practicing. I take most of my pictures by myself, but sometimes I can do my own thing. You know, sometimes I don't have to go here. I go to DC. I take pictures like that. People look at me funny, but I don't care. I'm here to get my content. So you guys need to be serious about what you guys want. You need to be serious about your pictures, your Instagram, because this is gonna be your job. Like the same way I'm doing this right now, this is gonna be your job. Okay, so other than that, thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys keep pushing and never ever give up. Never ever give up. I don't care if anybody tells you that you cannot do this. Yes, you can. So keep pushing. Okay, so guys, I also have a link of all the items that I use in this video if you want it. I created a link, so make sure to click it down below and I'm going to send it to you. Okay, click it down below and I'm going to send you the link of everything that I used in this video, and plus other items that I haven't even mentioned or even used in this video. Also make sure to join the exclusive Modelpreneur Facebook group. It's gonna be up here, so make sure to go and click that link and join. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you back.